You're never gonna believe this. I literally woke up in the middle of the night in a cold sweat, having a panic attack. I roll over, lock eyes with my dog, and tell her, Penny, do you realize there are people right now spending 20, 30 bucks going out to dinner and getting Starbucks, but going cheap on their electrical strippers and crimpers? I didn't believe it myself, but it turns out it's true. It's absolutely terrifying. But there's a way to fix it. My name is Nick. I found Exploration Vans, and I happen to be the country's first certified marine electrician to become a van builder. So let me help. The crimps that you use in your electrical system is make it or break it to create a system that is both efficient, safe, and ultimately just like the pros. Now you can do this for pretty little money. I'm actually gonna put in the description links to the exact wire strippers and the exact crimpers that I use in my professional van building shop. And secret's out, they're cheap as hell. So you kind of have no excuse. Now, there are two types of strippers. There are the ones that we're familiar with that have all the little half moon crescent shapes broken down by wire gauge, and you gotta just kind of turn them and then rip off the insulation. Those work okay, but they're incredibly inconsistent. And you are gonna be doing this hundreds of times potentially in your own van build. So you might as well get something that does it very well. The strippers I use are automatic, and they work for almost any wire size from 22 gauge all the way down to like 12 gauge, which is all the basic sizes that you might use in your van. And the best part is it's automatic and it's very consistent. The next thing I would love for you to do is get yourself a good crimper. I don't want to be just using these big electrical pliers to just squeeze down on that termination and hope it will work. Because you know what? Statistically, they don't. So if you get yourself a good ratcheting crimper, it's going to help make sure your crimps are reliable and quality. And again, secret's out, they're not that expensive. So do me a huge favor, and as you're building your own van, invest in your tools and invest in yourself. Because if you save yourself that 1 or 2 Starbucks drinks and get yourself a good crimper, your van is gonna be safer, more reliable, and honestly, you're gonna have more fun. 2026 is the year we stop crimping poorly and start treating our van with the respect it deserves. See ya.